I'm Ollie from Star Aluminium, and I'm the VIC Sales Manager here. And I'm excited to share with you today our adjustable work platforms. These have been a big hit in our defence, mining, logistics and general maintenance departments. And with our platforms, they come with a 100mm anti-slip treads, a retractable wheel system. This is the cantilever that extends out and can go up by 800mm. Easily used here by the winch and locked in with the safety pins on this side. At Star Aluminium, we are ISO accredited and we offer lifetime structural warranty on all of our products. That's how much we stand by these products and we understand how durable they are. For more information, you can visit our website or you can contact us in our locations at Melbourne, Brisbane and Western Australia. So you can contact us at any time and we're servicing Australia-wide.